of sound and to the next full moon in our journey around the zodiac. In the Northern Hemisphere, we are feeling the heat of the summer. The sun is in the fiery, energetic sign of Leo, and the moon is in Aquarius, represented by the symbol of the water bearer. It feels like an appropriate, cooling balm at this time. The sign of Aquarius is actually an air sign, which relates to the mind and communication. The reference to water being poured out from a pitcher shows us that this air sign can also hold wisdom and compassion within its thinking, encouraging open-mindedness and cooperation. Aquarian energy is also about individual identity, unconventional, forward-thinking, and, interestingly, new technologies. In the visualization, we will be asking what makes each of us unique, and then how can we reflect or pour out our individual qualities to connect with and support our wider community. But first, as always, we will begin with a short body relaxation, using the breath to help us. From there, we will move into the visualization and then into the sounds, after which there will be a few minutes silence. As always, I will mind the time, and I will come and collect you when we have finished our journey. Begin by making sure that you are comfortable and warm. Your phone is on silent or turned off, and you have asked for this time for yourself so that you will not be disturbed. We will start with our eyes open. If you are lying down, feel the contact that the back of the body makes with the bed or the floor. And if you are sitting, allow the weight of your body to sink downwards into the chair and into the floor with your feet. Make sure that your legs are uncrossed and your feet flat on the floor. Take a breath in, down into your belly, and breathe out. As you do, allow yourself to sink further into the chair or the floor, beginning the process of letting go and releasing. Just do that a few times. Now connect with the room that you are in, eyes still open. Familiarise yourself with the space and the surroundings. And also notice any scents or sounds, the temperature, or any other sensations you are aware of around you. Breathing in, and as you breathe out, closing your eyes and taking your awareness within. Notice how that feels for you. Notice how you are without getting too involved in what you feel or sense inside. Just observe. Begin to find a rhythm of breathing that feels right for you. Notice where you feel the breath flowing as you breathe in and out. Knowing it's not just our lungs that are breathing, it is the whole of our body. And we are going to deepen this connection with our bodies using the breath to help us. So on the next in-breath, breathe in all the way down both legs to the ends of the toes. And as you breathe out, feel your legs start to release and relax. And do this a few times. Notice your feet, ankles, lower legs, knees and thighs. Begin to soften and feel heavy as you begin to let go. Now breathe into your hips and your pelvis. Imagine your pelvis as a basin filling with air. As you breathe into your pelvis, imagining the hips opening and widening, becoming more spacious. And now breathe down your spine, allowing the breath to weave through the muscles and the vertebrae. Feel the length and the space that is possible all the way down the spine. Allow the lower back to soften. And then breathe across the whole of the back so that you also feel the width that's possible here too. Connect with the upper back. Breathe across the shoulders and then breathe down the front of the body, down into the belly, allowing it to soften. Breathe through the diaphragm and then around the rib cage, noticing the expansion and contraction of the ribs as you breathe in and out. Breathing into and across the upper chest. Feel it opening and widening as you breathe out, and then allow the breath to travel down through the shoulders, down both arms, breathing right to the tips of your fingers. And as you gently breathe in and out, allowing the hands, wrists, lower arms, elbows, upper arms and shoulders to gently relax. Feel the weight of your arms as the muscles soften and release. Breathing again across the chest, and then taking your awareness to the back of the neck and connecting into the top of the spine and breathing into the small muscles either side. Feel the neck releasing and softening, and the head beginning to relax as you breathe through it, bringing your awareness to rest on your forehead. Notice now, where are your thoughts? Are they here, engaged in this relaxation process? Or are they elsewhere? Are you thinking about something in the past or contemplating the future? It is natural for our thoughts to wander, and the key is to simply notice when they do, and then bring your awareness back into the present moment again, using the connection with the breath and the body to help us. Now breathing down through the face and through the sense organs, the eyes, the ears, the nose and the mouth, allowing them to relax and soften into easy receptivity. Breathe into the jaw, the hinge of the jaw, the lips, the chin, and then breathing down the front of the neck, allowing the throat to relax, and coming down to rest in the center of the chest. And simply breathe from this place. And ask, does this feel like your center, or does it perhaps lie elsewhere? It may lie lower down nearer your belly button. Just explore this idea, knowing that perhaps your center is not a fixed point, and it may change its location over time. And as you breathe from your center, notice how you are feeling. Is there anywhere in your body that feels tense or held? And if so, gently breathing into these places with the intention of relaxing and releasing. Over time, we start to connect our body up with our breath, and there is a greater sense of wholeness. Allow the energy to flow around your body, while at the same time keeping a connection to your center. Take a breath in and breathe out, and really sink again further into the chair or the floor. And on the next in-breath, allow your focus of attention to move upwards to the center of your brow. Rest here and be aware of the subtle changes that happen when you move your awareness here. Breathing in and breathing out. And again, find the rhythm of breath that feels right for you. So as you connect to the center of your brow, start to imagine a scene unfolding. It is evening time, and the full moon is rising on a bright, starlit sky. Look up to the sky and take some time to connect with the beauty that is placed there for us to enjoy. Now looking down and around you, you see that you are in a small wooded clearing. There is a pool nearby with a small waterfall gently pouring into it. Perhaps you have been here before. So take in the energy of this place. Be aware of any sounds, scents, temperature. Above all, you instinctively know that this is a place where you are safe and held. Looking over to the pool, you notice a beautiful jug by the side of it. You walk over and sit down beside it to examine more closely. You pick it up and feel its weight. Is it solid or light? Large or grand? Or small and dainty? What is it made of? Stone or glass? Is it ceramic or metal? Is it coloured or clear? Patterned or plain? However the jug appears to you, it feels pleasing, and you find yourself connecting with it. You fill the jug with the cool, clear water from the pool, and then you hold the jug close to you, enjoying its reassuring size and shape between your hands, feeling the coolness from the water inside and seeing its beauty with your eyes. You then hear the sound of the waterfall again, gently pouring into the pool, and you ask yourself, what is it that makes you who you are? What is it that makes you unique? So gently explore this inquiry as we move into the sounds. As always, I will hold the time, and I will come and collect you when we have completed our journey. So take your attention back to the pool with the waterfall where you are sitting, holding your jug of water. Being aware of any impressions that you have had through your journey. And ask, what is it that you most wish to share of yourself with your family, your friends, community, or with the world, with the earth, to make it a better place? And holding those thoughts, begin to pour the water from the jug back into the pool. And in doing this, see it as a symbolic act which supports you in sharing your own uniqueness, perhaps with those around you, perhaps with the wider world. Knowing that every one of us has a valuable as well as a unique contribution to make. So placing the jug on the ground, take one final look around, being aware of the moon and the stars shining down upon you. And if you wish, giving thanks for any insights that you may have had. Allow the scene to gently fade. And as you do, bring your awareness into your own room. Connect with your physical body, feeling its weight, and feel the floor underneath you. Breathing in, and as you breathe out, sink downwards, connecting more deeply with the floor. Still keep your eyes closed, but start to become aware of any sounds or sensations around you. Connect again with your breath, breathing in, breathing out, and on the next in-breath, open your eyes. Being in your room, noticing how you are before we start to move. Of course, you may wish to relax and rest a while longer. But if you want to continue with the rest of your day, begin to move your fingers and toes, your hands and feet, wrist and ankles, and slowly start to stretch and move however you need to bring yourself back fully into this and every moment. Take your time. You may want to have a drink or something to eat. Know that you are able to listen and respond to what you need, and give yourself the space to do this. Now, it may not be clear to you at this point what it is that makes you unique. And it is important to know that that is also okay. Trust that things unfold as they are meant to, and in their own time. And whatever your experience was in the visualization, you may wish to actually find a vessel, a jug, a picture that resonates with you, and then place it somewhere in your home. From there, it is up to you. Be with this jug however you need to. Perhaps meditate with it. Imagine that it can safely hold your unique qualities within it. Or you may want to place any wishes or intentions you may have into it about how you feel and how you wish to connect with the wider world around you. You may want to fill it with water and have a drink. Share it with others. Or pour it on the earth, water the garden. Remember, this is all about how you do you and how you connect by simply being you. Follow your own guidance. So I wish you a full moon that reflects and reveals your own wonderful uniqueness and also allows you to connect with these qualities more deeply. So enjoy the moon energy and take care and go well.